Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the refreshed Tesla Model Y, and trust me, there are some exciting changes to talk about both inside and out. At the front, there's a new bonnet and redesigned front wings to fit the completely reimagined headlights. These headlights are now slim, sleek strips with the main units moved lower. The daytime running lights also blend seamlessly into a strip across the front, adding a futuristic vibe. The sharp, angular lines give a nod to Tesla's Cybertruck. And the redesigned bumper and the large air breathers make the front end look more aggressive. The Tesla Model Y now has a front forward camera, the second since the Cybertruck to have the front forward camera on the bumper. This particular model we are reviewing today is finished in the Quicksilver option, which adds a sophisticated touch to the updated design. Now looking at the sides, the changes are more subtle. You got a new alloy wheel designs. These are the 19-inch aero wheels, but you can also opt for the 20-inch versions. Tesla has removed the small mud flaps from the previous model, giving it a cleaner look. Also, we have the side camera on these fenders. The flush-mounted door handles are a signature Tesla feature seamlessly integrated into the bodywork. They not only add to the sleek design but also help reduce drag for better efficiency. The side profile of the Model Y features smooth, flowing lines that not only enhance its minimalistic aesthetics but also improve aerodynamic efficiency. This contributes directly to its impressive range and overall performance. At the rear, the updated Model Y boasts redesigned taillights which project mood lighting onto the Tesla badge. The rear diffuser and spoiler have also been updated, contributing to both aesthetics and aerodynamics. These design changes significantly improve the car's efficiency, allowing the longest range all-wheel drive variant to achieve an estimated 353 miles on a full charge. The Tesla badging at the rear is elegantly designed with the light reflecting off it in a way that adds a touch of sophistication. Also, you can see the rear camera. Also, you will notice the dual motor badge, which signifies the all-wheel drive configuration of the Tesla Model Y. And you will find the launch edition badging marking the special version of the new Tesla Model Y 2025 Juniper. So additionally, the charging port is conveniently located on the left side, maintaining a clean and practical design while ensuring easy access for charging. So this is the overall rear design of the new Tesla Model Y. Now let's get into the rear seats and the boot capacity. When it comes to practicality, the new Tesla Model Y really excels, especially in terms of trunk space. It offers a total of 76 cubic feet, which is roughly equivalent to 2,150 liters of cargo capacity. That's a significant amount of space for vehicle in this class, making it perfect for long trips, shopping, or transporting larger items. So this is how it looks, and you can really store a lot of items in this new Tesla Model Y trunk. One of the standout features in the Model Y is the option for an automatic rear seat fold and release function. This allows you to easily access more cargo space with the push of a button. First, you can fold both rear seats flat together, maximizing the available storage area. But if you need more flexibility, you can also fold the seats individually to create a custom storage layout, which is perfect for carrying different size items or when you need to balance passenger and a cargo space. These clever features make the Model Y a highly versatile option, especially for those who value both style and practicality in their vehicle. Now let's take a closer look at the interior of the new Tesla Model Y, where comfort and new features come together seamlessly. As soon as you step inside, you'll notice the Tesla badging elegantly positioned on the new steering wheel, setting the tone for the premium feel of the cabin. But let's dive straight into the heart of the interior, the 15.4-inch center touchscreen display. Let us start exploring with the controls feature. Firstly, let me start with the steering wheel adjustment. As you can see here, if you press the steering, then you can use the knob on the steering wheel to adjust it according to your height. So that's so easy and that's so simple. And now let us explore the other features. Next up, to open the glove box, you can press this glove box button here and you could see it opens automatically. You have some good amount of space there and also some light inside there to keep your documents or things. Other than that, we have the fold mirror options and other control options in this page. Next, talking about the dynamics, you can see the vehicle specifications here. You can set the acceleration, deceleration, traction mode, etc. and the charging. So currently you can see the amount of charge that is available on this vehicle. And next up is the autopilot features. So you could set all of this according to your standards and according to your requirement. And talking about the lights, we need to explore a bit more in detail here. Firstly, the headlights. You can turn it on and turn it off from this touchscreen display. And then talking about the accent lights, you have a lot of color options to choose from. So currently it's set to pink. Now let me try it with the green. So even that looks good and it runs all the way through the rear seat of the car, which makes it looks more premium. And finally, let's try the red accent light and see how it looks even in the rear seat of the new Tesla Model Y Juniper. So that's it with the lights. Now let's talk about the seats. So talking about the seats, we can control the folding of the rear seats here from the display system. So as you can see here, if I press on OK, now the rear seats get folded automatically. Also, along with the rear seats folding automatically and getting back to its position automatically, the front seats get adjusted according to the rear seats. So now let's try the single rear seat folding. So next up, you can also set the temperature of the seats. You can set it to heat or cool, or you can also set it to auto from the display. So talking about the display, we can change its appearance to light, dark, or we can also set it as auto depending upon your preference. So these are several other features in the display. And next we have the schedule option, and then we have the service option where you can monitor your tire pressure. Also the software updates, and as you can see the details of this vehicle, it's the Model Y long range dual motor. And next up is the navigation. You can set your preferences here. And finally, you can see the trips that are available here. You can reset it and configure it according to your needs. And then we have the option to connect to the Wi-Fi and finally the Bluetooth. So talking about the other features of the infotainment system, it comes with a live weather map, and this is the calling features, and this is the FM options, and this is the internet, and this is for the light show, which is currently disabled here since it's a new model up for review. And next up, that's for the music. And finally, you can see the cameras here. So that's the front camera that has been added to the new Tesla Model Y along with the Cybertruck versions. And that's the left and the right cameras, and finally the rear camera. And next up, you can also control the front from the touchscreen itself. And talking about the gear shift, you still need to control it using the touchscreen system up here. So now let's move on to some of the other interior features. The Model Y offers 2 wireless charging areas, making it easy to keep your device powered up without the need for cables. There's also a convenient storage compartment added for practicality, allowing you to keep your belongings organized. And when it comes to the cup holders, they feature automatic closing mechanism for a clean and seamless look. And next up, you also have some storage here and the premium leather padding. Next up, you have a built-in sunshade, and also it does come with a small mirror. So that is how it operates. It's pretty uncomfortable actually to operate that, the opening and closing of the mirror. And next up is the lights inside here. And this is the passenger side sunshade, and you can also open up the mirror here. And finally, this is the overall interior features from the front, and that is how the premium rear seats look and the overall cabin of the Tesla. Now let's take a closer look at the rear seats and explore the level of comfort they offer. The new Tesla Model Y prioritizes comfort for all passengers, and the rear seats are no exception. With a height of 5 feet 10 inches, as you can see here, I'm able to sit comfortably in the rear seats of the Tesla Model Y. They are designed with ample legroom and supportive cushioning, making them a perfect for long trips or daily commutes. And talking about the comfort, the rear passengers also have access to controls for the climate and entertainment, adding a touch of convenience and luxury. As you can see here, we have all the options and the features in the rear touchscreen system. So whether you're sitting back to relax or traveling with others, the rear seats in the Model Y ensure a comfort and enjoyable experience for all the passengers. The all-new interior of the Tesla Model Y offers a refined experience, blending premium materials with advanced features to create a reimagined cabin that redefines what it means to ride in a car. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below.